Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi. How are you doing today? I'm doing great and I want to believe you are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how I make banana bread. There's a lot of versions of how to make it. This is God's version. To my returning subscribers, I really want to thank you for coming by. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, you are so welcome to my world. Click on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, share this video, like the video, let's be family. So like I said, today I'm showing you how I make my own version of banana bread with some few healthy ingredients. Let me show you. So I'm gonna be using this is a gluten-free all-purpose flour. I'm gonna be using 2 cups of that, a 1/4 cup of a sweetener. You could use brown sugar. I'm gonna need 2 eggs. I'm gonna need butter, 1 stick of butter that is already in room temperature, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a quarter teaspoon of salt. This is vegetable oil. I already sprayed my pan with it. You can use butter to rub all over your pan. I'm gonna throw in just a little drop of vanilla. I already measured out all the stuff, and this is the main ingredient. Look at that. This is the type of banana you're gonna be needing, not the one that is pure yellow, the one that has darkened like this. That's the good one for banana bread. So first I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients. This is the 2 cups of flour, like I said. I'm gonna be mixing it in the bowl. And to that, I will add my teaspoon of baking soda and the salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good mix. And I'll set that aside. So over here, I'm gonna be adding my room temperature butter and my sweetener. Like I said, you could use brown sugar. And these two I'm gonna be whisking. So now, I'm just gonna whisk this. And pour it right into the butter mixture. Use your spatula to scrape up everything. Scrape them in there. Now give it another pour. So I'm just gonna put like 1.5 drop of the vanilla. Give it a last mix. Okay. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is to take my washed banana, peel it, throw it in a bowl. Like I said, you could use 4 depending on the size. And I'm gonna use a fork to match it down. I don't like to use the whisker to match it. I like to use the fork. I want it to be a little lumpy, not all the way small. This is fine. So now I'm gonna add the butter mixture into the banana. See why the spatula is good? It gets out everything. And I give it a mix. So now we're adding the dry ingredients, which is the flour mixture. You use your spatula. Give it a good mix. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the walnut inside. Give it a good mix. See, it's come together. It's ready to go in the baking pan, and the oven is also ready. So now I transfer it. Just level it up. And finally, the remaining walnuts I throw on top of it. That's how I like it. You can skip the walnut. You could use almond or chocolate. But like I said, this is the healthy version. And now we're good to go. And it's going to go into the oven for like, let's say, 40 minutes. I'm going to put it in the oven. Alright, and we'll be back. Alright, this is not too cool, but you know, a little cool. Just going to go ahead and slice, and I'm still going to, can you see how the inside looks? Well done. So nice. This will go very well with your cup of coffee or, you know, cup of tea. It's still hot, but that's fine. Let me test for you and I. Very moist. Just enough ingredient. And the walnuts, I give it a thumb up. What about you? Anyway, so guys, thank you so much for joining me this day to make this banana bread. Go ahead and give it a try. You would really enjoy it, I promise you that. All right, so thank you for joining me. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like all the videos, share them. Somebody might need it somewhere, you know. Let's uplift each other. Thank you once again to you, my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining me. Watch out for all the upcoming videos, interesting videos. So have a blessed day, and please, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.